welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make perfectly grilled pork chops that are so tender and juicy and packed with flavor. I'll be showing you all the tricks to grill the perfect pork chops. Please make sure you have the notification bell turned on, that way you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Now let's get started. Okay guys, I have some pork chops here. I'm using rib bone pork chops. These are perfect for grilling because they don't dry out if you cook them right. Plus, they have the bone in right here to keep them tender and flavorful. We're going to start by drizzling some olive oil all over the pork chops. Then go ahead and rub it in with your hands. Make sure you get it on both sides of the pork chops. Next, we're going to season with some spices. So in this bowl, I have a generous amount of salt, black pepper, paprika, and dried thyme. Go ahead and mix it all together and season your meat very generously with your spices. By the way guys, you have to be pretty generous with your salt and pepper because these are very thick pieces and you don't want them to taste bland and boring. Alright, next you're going to turn them over and season the other side as well. We don't want to miss out on any flavor. Once you've seasoned them very well, you're going to let them sit on the counter to come to room temperature for 20 minutes. That way they cook evenly. And also, since we've already seasoned them, they can soak in all those flavors while coming to room temperature. So I'm using a grill pan today, but you can totally use this method for an outdoor grill. Go ahead and add some olive oil into your grill pan. Allow the pan to get really hot and smoky. Then once your meat comes to room temperature, place them onto the grill, making sure you don't overcrowd the pan, okay guys? We're going to grill the meat for 3 to 4 minutes on one side, then turn them over and grill another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. And all that smoke coming out, it's going to pack the meat with amazing flavor. Once your meat has golden brown grill marks, just like these, they look beautiful, you're going to turn off the heat, place a lid over the pan, and let them slow grill in the hot pan for 8 minutes to get really tender and juicy. Once you grill up all your meat, you, my friends, are ready to enjoy some tender, juicy, flavorful pork chops. The meat is so tender and packed with flavor. You guys will absolutely love this recipe. If you want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. Also, if you're interested in my grill pan, I'll leave a link in the description box. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'll see you soon. Bye.